Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 7 latest defense updates. Number 1, Dassault to offer Rafale F4 Variant. Dassault Aviation is set to offer its latest Rafale F4 variant to the Indian Air Force as part of the multi-role fighter aircraft, that is MRFA tender for 114 jets, with the production line now transitioning to the F4 standard by 2025 following the delivery of the first aircraft in 2023 and the second in 2025. Dassault is positioning the Rafale F4 as a highly advanced option for the IAF. Next, Atharv MBT gains traction. Recent developments signal a strategic shift for India's T-72 main battle tank, that is MBT fleet. With approvals secured from Russia, India can now upgrade and resell these tanks to existing T-72 operators, extending their operational lifespan. This move comes as India seeks a replacement under the Future Ready Combat Vehicle program, which aims to equip the Indian Army with next-generation MBTs. Next, Russia scouts tech for its Su-30SM. France has formally requested India to closely monitor and restrict the supply of French-manufactured Thales multifunctional displays, navigation systems and heads-up displays from being exported, particularly to markets that could indirectly serve Russia. This request comes after reports surfaced about a Kazakhstan-based company bypassing international sanctions by collaborating with Russia to repair and maintain critical avionics systems which are essential for Russia's Su-30SM aircraft. The Su-30SM is a derivative of the Su-30MKI, originally customized for the Indian Air Force by Russia with inputs from India. Several countries including Russia, Kazakhstan, Belarus and Armenia operate the Su-30SM variant. A critical component of these aircraft is the French avionics system, notably produced by Thales, which provide crucial functions like multifunctions displays, navigation and targeting. Next, no plans for 6th generation Air Superiority Fighter till mid-2040. India plans to begin laying the groundwork for the development of a 6th generation Air Superiority Fighters that will replace the older batches of the Su-30MKI fighter jets. Beginning in the mid-2040s, this ambition plans aims to ensure India's air dominance for decades to come as the Indian Air Force prepares to phase out its aging fleet of Su-30MKIs, the backbone of its current combat force. Next, SMG contract given to Vinveli. The Uttar Pradesh Police Anti-Terrorism Squad has awarded a contract for 1,228 units of the CZ Scorpion Evo 3A1 submachine gun to Vinveli Automated Systems Private Limited. The deal comes with a unit price of 78,000 per SMG. While the decision appears straightforward, it highlights a significant moment for India's defense manufacturing sector, as the indigenous ASMI 9mm machine pistol developed by Advanced Weapons and Equipment India Limited came in the second during the tender process. Next, T-90 tanks with enhanced cope cage protection. The Indian Army has finally taken a significant step towards improving the protection of its T-90 tanks by equipping them with a more robust and well-designed cope cage. This protective screen is designed to shield the tank's turret from various threats, including drones, loitering munition, and other aerial attacks. The newly introduced scope cage features a metal grid on top and wavy metal covering with alternating ridges. This design provides enhanced protection against incoming threats. Next, world record for high altitude drone. Indian startup Born V Aero has achieved a groundbreaking milestone by setting a new world record to the highest altitude drone flight. Their UAV platform successfully hovered at a staggering 19,024 feet, that comes to 5,800 meters above sea level at the Umilinga Pass in Ladakh, India. Thank you.